Power BI and Excel are both powerful tools for data analysis, but they have some key differences. Purpose and focus. Excel, primarily a spreadsheet tool that allows users to organize, analyze, and visualize data. It's versatile and widely used for a variety of data-related tasks. Power BI, designed specifically for business intelligence, BI, and data visualization. It focuses on creating interactive visualizations and sharing insights across an organization. Data size and scalability. Excel, suitable for small to medium-sized datasets. Larger datasets can slow down performance and may not be as manageable for complex data models. Power BI, built for handling large datasets and complex data relationships. It can connect to multiple data sources, clean and transform data, and handle more sophisticated analytics. Visualization and reporting. Excel provides basic charting and graphing capabilities. While powerful, creating complex visualizations often requires more manual effort and may not be as interactive. Power BI offers advanced visualization options with interactive dashboards and reports. Users can create dynamic visualizations that update in real time based on filters and selections. Collaboration and sharing. Excel. Sharing can be done via file sharing, which may lead to version control issues. Collaborative editing is possible through cloud-based Excel versions. Power BI facilitates collaboration by allowing users to publish reports and dashboards to the Power BI service. Stakeholders can access these reports through a web browser or mobile app, ensuring everyone works from the same data version. Integration and automation. Excel. Limited automation capabilities without scripting or macros. Integration with other systems may require additional tools or plugins. Power BI integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft products like Azure and Office 365, SQL databases, and third-party services. Automation through Power Query and DAX, data analysis expressions, allows for more sophisticated data modeling and calculations. In essence, while Excel is a robust tool for individual data manipulation and analysis, Power BI excels in creating scalable, interactive BI solutions that facilitate collaboration and provide deeper insights across organizations.